Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have another curbside video because some stuff just happened in the Walgreens app and I wanted to share, including the raw sugar, a lot of their lip treatments, lip balms, that good stuff, 75% off. And we also have a new digital coupon for the Angel Soft for these massive, I think they're called the mega size. So I have a little matchup on that as well. I know a lot of you are like, the Walgreens brand isn't the Angel Soft brand. They're two different things. So I have a new alternative deal for you guys. Now, for those of you that have my problem where you are hyper fixated on lip balms, all that good stuff, this is a steal of a deal. So for a curbside pickup, I'm not sure if it'll be the same price in store. The raw sugar lip balms in the flavors watermelon, almond milk, and pineapple, berry coconut, 99 cents. The original price for these lip balms are $3.99 down to 99 cents. Obviously something great. I mean, I like to have one at my, desk and one in the car and then like two in my purse and then one by my bedstand. I always have always a ton of lip balms. So if you're anything like me, I think this is the time to stock up, and Raw Sugar is a fantastic company. I love this company. Right next to Dr. Bronner's in my humble opinion. So I would put an order in right away, and the limit of what I could put into a cart was 3 of each flavor. I think for most health and beauty stuff, the limit of what you can put is up to 3, but like $2.97 for 3, that's not too shabby. And then you're just going to have to make sure that your basket is $10 or more to do a pickup and use some Walgreens cash. But this is fantastic stuff. And I just threw in some clearance M&Ms. So I got a bag of the minis and then a bag of the dark chocolate. A couple of you were saying that the dark chocolate in store is full price still, and you're like, well, why is it on clearance there but a different price online? They might change the price of it at one point, but right now they're trying to clear it out online. So it is Walgreens. It's very confusing, and it's just one of their things. Also have this guy that's attaching, so you're going to get $1.50 off for buying 2 of those bags. If you get 2 of the bags at $1.49, I think you're a couple pennies short from hitting that $10 mark. So just to show you, the Mars coupon is melting off, and the code WAG10 is actually applying, even though this is clearance stuff. So that's some extra savings for you. And then just to show you the overall basket, it's $13.39. WAG 10 melting off $1.19. So with the curbside order, you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app and then driving to the store and picking it up. So that's what we're doing with this. The pickup is free. You have a bit of tax, and the $1.50 digital manufacturer is melting off. So your new total is $11.18. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay the $1.18 and call this a very smart deal, considering that these lip balms are $3.99 each. You're saving a lot of money. Even if you wanted to just store them for next Christmas, they would make excellent stocking stuffers, and I love any sort of lip balm. So last night, in the wee hours of the evening, this guy showed up, which is a $5 off of a super mega roll Angel Soft pack. So the larger rolls, and it's like toilet paper for some time. That's a $5 coupon. At the very least, even if you don't want to do my deal, load the coupon. This product is $16.99 in store. So you guessed it, using the code WAG10 for extra savings. You're having your $5 and then an extra $1.20 melting off. Honestly, if you wanted to throw the Angel Soft in with some of those lip balms, that might be a deal for you. Or try to get it to $20 and use Walgreens cash. Use the code WAG10 as well. Like, why not? And then just to show you the overall basket for the toilet paper on its own, it's $16.99. WAG10, you're saving $1.20. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. $5 melting off there. So it's $11.74. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.74 and call this a very smart deal. And that's a massive amount of toilet paper. This big one. I know that it's only sold in larger markets. If you live in a tiny town, very rural, they might not carry this one. But I would definitely, those lip balms, if that's your thing, 75% off. That has my attention. If you want more curbside deals, check out the video linked right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.